The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, North Central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Deptford, Lindenwold, Belmore, Woodbury, Palmyra, Magnolia, Westville, and Woodbury Heights. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 3, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 29, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 349 and 351, Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 36, Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 1, Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.